Good morning, this is Teresa with Teresa's Weight Loss. In today's video, I want to talk about a little bit about the 17-day diet and give you a little bit of what it is all about. The 17-day diet, and I'm going to be doing some reading out of the book here, so be patient with me. The first thing is the 17-day diet is a carefully designed balance of food and exercise that adjusts your body's metabolism so that you can burn fat. It's done in 17-day cycles, and there are 4 cycles to this diet. And the cycles are, cycle 1 is called the Accelerate cycle, again 17 days. It promotes rapid weight loss by improving digestive system, and it helps clear sugar from the blood to boost fat burning and discourage fat storage. Cycle 2 is called the Activate. Again, each cycle is 17 days. Cycle 2 resets the metabolism. Through increasing and decreasing caloric consumption to stimulate fat burning and to help prevent plateaus. In my experience with this in the past, even though I didn't do it fully to its capacity. Of course, I didn't have the book then. My experience has been that the calories range anywhere from, depending on what you eat, ranges anywhere from 1,200 to about 1,500 or so, give or take, which is okay. Cycle 3 is Achieve, and this cycle develops good eating habits through the reintroduction of additional foods and move you closer to your goal weight. And then, and if you haven't reached your goal by the end of cycle 3, they suggest to go back to cycle 1 and start over and keep doing that process until you reach your goal weight, or at least a few pounds from your goal weight. Cycle 4 is Arrive, and cycle 4 is ongoing. It helps to keep you at your goal weight through a program of eating that lets you enjoy your favorite foods on weekends while eating healthfully during the week. And since I have some issues with grains and sugars, I really can't do that. But that's the main core of the program. Okay? And I'm going to tell you what the first cycle is in the way of foods that you can have. Okay, you are allowed 2 fruit. You gotta eat those fruit before 2 p.m. There's a thing that goes along with that why you can't. It's something about being able to digest the fruit before you go to bed, something like that. 2 probiotic servings, and you can have those pretty much any time of the day. And the probiotics is yogurt, which contains 17 billion probiotic, which is the live cultures, or more. Kefir, low-fat acidophilus milk, Yakult, Blackstone live active cottage cheese, reduced salt miso, and low-fat, low-sodium broth. And tempeh, sauerkraut, and kimchi. I've never had kimchi before, so I can't tell you what that is, really. You can have 1 to 2 tablespoons of friendly fat per day. And the meats that you can have, and the things that are unlimited in this diet is certain types of meats and certain types of vegetables. I will put a list of all this stuff in the description box below. But that's pretty much the core of cycle 1 on the 17-day diet. And like I said, I will put the food list in the description. There are some other points in the book. So if you would like to get a copy, I will put the name of the book in the description as well, so you can order it. And that's pretty much all I have for today. Until next time, I will see you then. Bye.